I'm coming at this from a slightly different direction than most people are. I'm not coming at it from a clinical practice direction. I'm coming at it more from the kind of doing the bench work to see how this thing works in reality. There's two things that it does. It creates microscopic shock waves that go down the canal systems that activate and vibrate in the solutions that are in there, which accelerates the chemistry. And it produces a vortex flow inside the tooth that creates a negative pressure at the apex, oddly enough, and pulls the solutions up out. So you get a very rapid turnover of the solutions, you get an activation of the solutions, but you have the safety factor of there not being any extrusion. It's a really, really clever design. This is transformative technology, in my opinion. And I say that for a couple of reasons. The traditional endodontic triad is shaping the tooth, cleaning the tooth, and then obturating the tooth. This obviously is in the cleaning bucket, but it's so effective and it doesn't depend on mechanical devices like files or needles or whatever going into the canal, that it changes what you do with the shaping part of your instruments. So it changes what the instrument is being used for, and it changes the obturation in the same way. So even though it's supposedly a cleaning device and you can simplistically think of it that way, that really isn't what it is. It's a device that's going to make root canals in their details a different thing.